Faceless talking avatar are getting many views, and that's why a lot of faceless channels are using it right now. Up until now, we have been using some green screen mouth for talking, but as you have noticed, it doesn't actually lip sync well. This AI tool is going to change everything.
Hello friends, welcome to my channel.
Part is that it is 100% free. So this is what we are going to make in this video. Let's get started. First, head over to Chrome and search for Leonardo. Click on the first link you see. Simply create an account or log in if you already have one. Then paste in the prompt. Go to preset and select animate. Choose the 16:9 ratio, then check negative prompt and input these, then click here and select view more. Select image to image, then use this image as a reference. The reference would be dropped at the ending, so stay tuned. Head over to your reference image and increase the strength to about 7, then click on generate. Once satisfied, download the image, then head over to photo, bring in our character, select the spot healing tool and brush all over the mouth, then export as. Then go to YouTube and search mouth green screen. Click on video, click on share and copy link, your choice. Then save it and open any video editing software which you use and open it. Import your picture which you created on green screen. You need a lip sync mouth animation materials uses in this video. You can get the link in the description. Now remove its green screen and perfectly adjusted on characters mold. Then you can see animated character is read. You can use this type of animated characters in faceless channels. That's all. See you in the next video. Until then, please like and subscribe to this channel.